Ready, action. Hello everyone, my name is Moon Chong-baek. I'm in the 6th grade in Shinbuk Elementary School. I will give a presentation about sound. Animals and people use this part of the body to hear sound. What is it?
Ear.
Ear. When a bell rings, it vibrates or moves back and forth. The vibrations make sound waves that travel through the ear. When the sound waves enter the ear, they hit the eardrum and the eardrum vibrates. The nerves can carry messages to your brain. These musical instruments can come in many shapes and sizes. What is it?
Drum.
Drum. Lolly is a huge drum set. Lolly are there. Lolly like bass drum makes a low pitched sound. She also likes a snare drum. It makes a high pitched sound. It can be loud or soft. What is it?
Volume.
Volume. If Figgle raise the volume of his radio, I need to raise the volume of my voice so it is louder than the radio. But if Figgle turn down the volume of his radio, I can speak softly and still hear. The end.